Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to find out if someone is hiding an Instagram story from you. So let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Instagram account. So to find out if someone is hiding an Instagram story from you, you have to make another account and check from there. So for example, in my phone, I created another account, and we are going to use Wachai Edition. Click on that, and what I'm going to do is I can see Wachi254, for example, has posted the reel. So that's how you find out if someone has hidden an Instagram story from you. You create a new account and you check from there. Yeah, so that's how you do it, guys. Quick and easy. Thank you, and subscribe for more content like this.